a cute toys. Okay, let's put it in water to make it much bigger. Let me only dry my hands. Wow, you grew up so fast!
Mommy!
Oh yeah, my sweet come to your mommy! Oh, wow! This is magic! Mwah. Let me show you your new home! We need to sneak past that!
Cats? No. Titanic is such a funny movie.
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Mwah. Made with your new home! Oh, I would be a great cat's mom! Whoa! Oops! I can build a cat house under my bed! I do not this anymore! Let's make walls for my house from this cardboard! I will nail it with my super drill! Put nails in the cardboard and screw them with a drill! Great! Whew. Let's add more color to these bold walls. I'll better spray them in the blue one. And done! Wow! It's so blue! What a cute kitty face! Meow! Put the stencil on the wall. Nice! Wow! Meow! Scoop up some pink color. Looks like a strawberry ice cream. What should I paint first? Okay, let's start from the ear, then colorize the chin. Oops, forgot the second ear. Nice! Yay, so pinky! Now carefully remove the stencil from the wall, and kitty face is ready! Meow! So cute! Is this hole safe? Ouch! Those are spikes! I can use this cat's ears! Kitty, Roxy, meow! Put the cat's ears around the hole. It looks better now! Hey, look what Daddy bought me! I am a kitty princess! I have an idea!
What is stuck in my teeth?
That's toothbrush! I'll take its head softly! Oh!
Huh? What? Who broke my brush? Okay, I'll pick another one.
Yay! That's what I need! Attach hats of toothbrushes around the hole. Then put the green lawn behind it. Now the hole is safer for my kitties. Oh, the lawn is soft like a pillow. Come on, kitty, come into your new house.
It's meow-tastic, Mommy!
Oh, I'm so thirsty. I can drink water from this vase. Well, it's better than nothing.
Daddy, no! I need this vase!
Oh, who stole my water now?
I can make a cat aquarium from this vase! Hey guys, look at my giant face! I'll need some decorations! Oh, they are so gorgeous! Wow! Let's put it in the vase! First, we put shells with algae on the bottom. Then add decorative bubbles. Perfect! Yay! Oh, my ear itches. Something is stuck there. Oh, gross! Wow! It's a toy fish. Wait. What am I doing? Better put this fish in my aquarium. How about some friends, little buddy? Now it's a fish body. Great! My cat aquarium is done.
Wow! Is there a fish? Cool! Now, what is this strange fluffy thing? Never mind. Back to my fishes. Yummy!
Check my chip lips, guys. I'm like you. Cool. I want some more. Oh no, I ate the last chips. But I have an idea. Let's make a cat toy from this chips tube. Apply glue to the bottom of the tube. Then stick the end of the woolen rope to the glue and put the tube straight. Now wrap the rope around the entire tube completely. Whoa, it's like a roller coaster. Make the oval hole inside the tube. Then put colorful play balls inside the tube and close it with a lid. Wow, I have made a nice toy for my kitties. Let's try it out. Come to me, balls. What a fun game. A rope? How did you get there? Oops. I can make a cat scratching post. First, install the pipe on the wooden base. Then make a loop out of the rope. And tie it all over the pipe like me. Sign up for my next craft classes. Wow, it's so beautiful and finally a cute fluffy ball. Boom! Attach it to the top of the pipe. My cat's scratching post is ready. Yay! Oh, what a creepy hole. Oh, I have an idea. Let's cover it with a new laser gadget for cats. Awesome! I can make a cat from this tool. Just add eyes and cute ears. Oh, what a nice laser kitty.
What is that? Where are you going? Wow! What a huge thing! I want to climb on it! Hey! Meow, I'm so bored with you.
Wow, so scratchy. Huh? What's that? Huh? Gotcha. What? Stop. Wait a minute. I'm not a cat. Huh? This is cat. I need you to help me. No problem, Mr. Tiger. Let's turn you into gold with my magic spray. Wow, do you like it, buddy? Cool. I'm so goldy now. Let's hide you with this ball, Mr. Tiger. Yay! Wow, I made a great ball stand for my kitties. Fill it with their favorite fit. Nice. Time to check my page. Oh, my honey. My sweet kitty. Oh, how did I do that? Wow, a printed kitty face. I have a great idea. Put a cute kitty face on the table. Are you ready, glue gun? Let's do it. Let's cover my kitty's face with glue. Wow, it looks like jelly. Oh, hello, my jelly cutie. Whew, thanks, glue gun. Now let's take a piece of vellum and put it on the kitty's face and glue. I need to press it with something. I can use this wood. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well, I made a rolling pin. Let's try it out. Roll out the kitty's face like pizza dough. Okay, let's see the result. Carefully peel the paper off the face. Wow, my kitty imprinted on the dried glue. Okay, let's pick up you from the table. Wow, my kitty is so shiny. A little magic trick. Wow, what a nice kitty color. So cute. This color is so awesome. Thank you, Mommy. Alright, let's look at what's inside. Oh! Wow, so many teddy bears! But how can I fix this? I have an idea! Put the drawer on the floor. Cover it with a pink woolen mat. Then add a cute star pillow and a toy ball. Cool! Wow! My kitty will sleep well in this soft bed. Let's put you in the kitty's room. Oh, enjoy, sleepy bed. Let's add some toy gadgets, a cool roly-poly, and a spinning cat rattle. Yay! Wow! Oh, Dad! Oh, I need to take this bottle so Dad doesn't see. Oh…
What's up?
Let's make a cat feeder. First, tear off the bottom of the bottle. Then lay down on the floor. I need a rope. I can use a rubber band for my pants. Ouch! Yeah, this will do. Put the rubber band at the bottom of the bottle and attach it with the glue gun. Awesome! Then I'll stick it on the upside-down bottle. Dring! And attach a fluffy ball to the rope. Let's hang it on the wall. Nice! Then put some feet inside the bottle. Wow, my cat feeder is ready! Let's try it out! Drink! Oh, it's working! Yay! Stop! What am I doing? Ew, gross! Ouch! A pillow! Let's make a swing for my kitties! I need to use my tights! I'll show you! Welcome with my scissors, friend! Let's cut tights in half! Cool! Do that with both parts of the tights. Then take the cut pieces of the halves and put them crossways. Put the pillow in the center. Then tie pieces of the tights with each other. Wow, my cat swing is ready! Let's try it on my kitty toy. Yay! Daddy, no! Where do the scraps of paper go? Oh no, Dad is cleaning up! I need to do something.
I love Friday night cleaning. Bye-bye, garbage. I have dealt with ya.
Sorry, Daddy. I'll borrow this bucket. I hope you'll not be mad. Gotcha! Make an oval cut with a penknife. Cool! Ha! My karate lessons were not in vain. Wow, it's a doorway to our cat booth, huh? Teddy bears, miss me, guys? I'll need your help too. Ready for a soft landing? Fly away! Let's make a rug for my cat booth. First, cover the round lawn with glue. Wow, this glue jelly is so spellbinding. Then put the first teddy bear in the center of the lawn. Place the rest of the toys around it. Yeah, the bear rug is ready. Put it at the bottom of the bucket. Oh, so comfy. And the drill girl is on. Yeah, boy. Make holes around the top of the bucket. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, mission complete. Then thread the rope through the hole. And stick it out through the hole opposite. Then do the same with all holes in the bucket. Ties checkered roof. And finally tie the end of the rope into a loop. I did better than tying my shoelaces. Wow, this roof is so strong. The cat booth is done. Amazing!
Wow, this booth is so cool. Hey, what's this? Gotcha! Mmm, so tasty. Meow? Hey, don't fly away. Stop! Meow? What are these strange spinning balls? There you are, my flying food. I'm gonna catch you. Hey, where are you going? Haha, gotcha!
Wow, my cat house is ready! Looks nice! And the final touch!
Hey!
Oops! Sorry, Dad!
What's going on? Hey, Roxy, give me my curtain!
Okay, let's hang it on the cat house! Awesome! It's a great curtain door! Yeah, now my secret cat house is definitely done! Love you, my cuties! Now let's look at what's inside! Wow, it looks gorgeous!
Hey, look! I'm a puss in the booth! If you like it, write meow in the comments! Wait! I didn't show you my flying food!
Meow! Who are you? Why are you so many?
Hey! You came back! Look! I'm hiding behind an aquarium! Oh, there's a lot of fish in there! Will you help me get to them, guys? But don't tell Mommy, okay?
Kitty, 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 kitty!
Uh-oh! I'm coming, Mommy!
Meow! I feel so pretty in this color! It's all for me! Meow!
Who is there?
Meow! What's that?
Meow, I'm so thirsty! Whoops!
Meow! Rub me there, Mommy! Oh, you're so cute! No one will find you in the secret kitty house!
Roxy!
Oh no!
Hey, Roxy, I was thinking. Achoo! Is that a cat?
Hi, Dad! Please let my kitty stay!
I told you, I'm allergic to cats! Achoo! Oh, this is really cute.
Really?
Look at this sweet face.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let the cat stay.
Yay! Really? Yay!